the entrance to Topsail Bluff. It's just over those rocks there. There's a trail that takes you out. There's only about a 10 or 15 minute walk. This section of the trail is always wet and muddy, but luckily there's a nice little trail off here to the side. I think there's actually people out there golfing, using Topsail Bluff as a driving range. So this here is Topsail Bluff. You can see why this is such a popular spot. It's quite the height. You got Bell Island off in the distance. I think this will be the perfect spot to sit up for a coffee. Nice evening for it. All right, let's get some of this stuff ready. If anything rolls away, I'm not chasing it. Just to let you know. While that's boiling, I might as well set up my chair. Already. Had it angled wrong. The heat came out. Got at this. It's pretty hot. Alright, let's move it. Got new coffee. My wife picked some up for me from Costco. So I refilled my bag. Got a big bag at home now, so I won't go dry anytime soon. This one's a dark roast, so I don't know how it's going to taste compared to the other one. It's coffee. What's the worst that can go wrong with it, right? Give her the swirl. And of course, the fun part. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Give me some good. How's this for a view? Oh man, this is perfect. Too many coffee shops have a view like this, eh? Get a boat coming in, Bell Island, Conception Bay South. People down on the beach enjoying themselves. think he likes my drone. He's watching pretty close. Hope I don't slip. Because if I slip, it won't be so nice. I'll keep it running in case I do. It'll make for a good video to watch someday down the road. Well, this is as far as I'm going to go. Anyway, enjoy the view one last time. I'm going to get ready and head home. It's another one of those days. Didn't want to come out, but I did. I hummed and hawed all day. Had no interest whatsoever in leaving the house, but I did. Glad I did. Because the coffee was good, the view was good, the vibes are good. Time to pack up. Sometimes you gotta watch your head. Alright, I got this idea in my head now. I'm looking around here. Perfect spot to set up a hammock some night. Might try it out in the next week or so. I'll have to make sure I do it on a school night though, because I'm pretty sure that this is a popular teenage hangout. This is not even a hill and I'm out of breath. Totally out of shape. I actually thought about coming down here on my Goldwing one day. I was thinking, I wonder, can I maneuver around all the boulders? But I'm pretty sure there's no way. Might need a dual purpose. Just realized I forgot to lock my motorcycle up. Nothing in there to steal anyway except my helmet, credit card, driver's license. So, fingers crossed, there's honest people. Well, there she is. She's in one piece. She warmed up. Actually sweating. Not bad for a fall day.